Morning to all of you. Today is birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and World Students Day, and I am going to tell you few words about this day. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931. He was Indian scientist and politician who played a leading role in the development of India's missile and nuclear weapons. Abul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam was an Indian aerospace scientist and politician who served as the 11th President of India. He was born and raised in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu, and studied physics and aerospace engineering. He was awarded with Bharat Ratna in 1997, Padma Bhushan in 1981, Padma Vibhushan in 1990, Hoover Medal in 2009, Indira Gandhi Award for National Integration in 1997, Ramanujan Award in 2000, King Charles II Medal in 2007, Veer Savarkar Award in 1998, International One Karman Wings Award in 2009, IEEE Honorary Membership in 2011. He came to be known as the Missile Man of India for his work on the development of ballistic missile and launch vehicle technology. The 11th President, who served the nation for 2002 to 2007, was widely referred to as the People's President and is also credited for India's military missile system as well as civilian space programs. World Students Day is celebrated every year on October 15 on former President APJ Abdul Kalam's birthday. The day is commemorated on his birth anniversary because Dr. Kalam was a dedicated teacher and identified himself foremost in that role before anything else. Due to the former president's love for students, various educational institutions in India observe Kalam's birthday in their own way. Notably, in 2010, the United Nations declared October 15 to be World Students Day. APJ Abdul Kalam's love for students find best voice when he said, "Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts result in action." He had also further said to students, "If you fail, never give up, because fail means first attempt in learning." In 2006 presidential address at the presentation of national awards to teachers, he had famously said that teachers are the builders of society and the society can be built only when the students are made proficient in the subjects. He further added that they have to provide a vision for life to the students and also inculcate the fundamentals of value which they should practice in years to come. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam suffered a cardiac arrest while delivering a lecture to the students of IIM Shillong on July 25, 2015. "When I am dead, not declare holiday, instead work a day extra," he had famously said. So children, this was all about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and World Students Day. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.